Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's an honor for me today to deliver a presentation. The topic of my presentation is Stronger Institutional Instrument for Governing Underground Utility Data in Malaysia. This is my presentation guideline. Introduction, benchmark, institutional instrument of JUPM, methodology, finding and result, and conclusion. Underground utility refers to utility cables, pipelines, or infrastructure that arrange systematically in a special tunnel and buried underground. Underground utility data refers to data about the location, types, and positioning of underground utilities that are buried underneath the land surface. In Malaysia, underground utilities are mainly limited to water, gas, electricity, sanitation, and telecommunication. Underground utility problem initially started due to urbanization, land shortage, domestic migration, and distribution of population. And Malaysia started to pay attention to this problem when the repair costs for road or compensation increase for victims of utility accident. Developed countries have successfully solved the problem of underground utility data by setting up repository centers as well as introducing various types of institutional instruments at many levels. Malaysia replicated their step, but underground utility data problem is still continue. Benchmark for this study, underground utility and underground utility data are common modern days problem across the world, especially for countries on verge of rapid development. All the government firstly develop and introduce a completely new policy pertaining to underground utility and underground utility data, and followed by amending and introducing completely new law to support the implementation and enforcement of the policy. This research studies the practices of the government of developed countries like United Kingdom, the Netherlands, Finland, Japan, Hong Kong, Denmark, Switzerland, and European Union, and also focusing on available institutional instrument of JUPM in handling the underground utility issues. In determining that there were such research gap and the gaps are real, has conducted a literature review on the topic locally and abroad. Ladies and gentlemen, institutional instrument of JUPM. JUPM has taken a few initiatives as part of continuous effort towards getting the underground utility data by introducing several institutional instruments. From 2006 until 2016, JUPM has issued 5 circulars with completely guidelines. JUPM has done an awareness program with utility providers, state government, and local authority. JUPM also introduced Click Before You Dig program as found in countries abroad. JUPM works closely with professional body as well as Association of Licensed Land Surveyor in training about the technicalities of underground utility, even though JUPM is still unable to correct the problem regarding underground utility data. Here want to get an answer why replicated institutional instruments do not work well for Malaysia. Ladies and gentlemen, research methodology. This research is exploratory in nature because the topic of institutional instrument is very new in Malaysia. There are very few literatures review on this topic. In fact, influences the method of conducting this research. There is a lack of material on a topic of area of research and very suitable for using qualitative method. The article uses secondary from various sources. Ladies and gentlemen, findings for this research, the success and effort of JUPERM in issue circular for underground utility data are highly excellent. It shows JUPERM very serious in solving the problems. The research found that all the circular documents describe the technicality, procedures, as well specify the procedures. JUPERM only focus on one type of institutional instrument in address the issue and problems of underground utility. In other words, JUPERM seemingly prefer to use guidelines and circular document in solving all types of underground utility problems. All JUPERM guidelines, circular and SOP do not have the legal support. Law documents are introduced in make sure the policy documents are working and their provisions are enforced and complied. JUPERM as federal agency has no jurisdiction and authority at state and local authority level. Thus, the need for collaboration with related agencies. JUPERM intention to solve the underground utility problem will not be able to be implemented immediately, unlike what the developed countries have done. For conclusion, there is no fixed approach is choosing or selecting suitable or workable institutional instrument. The decision to select and choose the instrument cannot be evaluated in silo and ignore their context. The problems involved may be multidimensional and complex, or driven by different or even competing logic. The success, efficiency, and effectiveness of government intervention in addressing and solving problems in hand depend largely on the ability to choose and select the most suitable and appropriate instrument and document. It showed that the requirement of policy goal was very much dependent on the selection of the instrument, whether as singular or bundle of mixed instrument. I have finished here. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.